I have a young daughter, and I often think about what kind of world are we leaving to our children and grandchildren, and we want that to be as beautiful of a world as we have now. Ways that I try to live a more healthy, sustainable life are really thinking about everything around me and my family and thinking about how can we make this better? What is the best possible choice? I have a history of working in the nonprofit sector, and why I was drawn 4 years ago to come work at Colgate-Palmolive is what I see a genuine commitment to reimagining a healthier future for all people, their pets, and our planet. And that's really important to secure a healthy and sustainable future for all. As the world leader in toothpaste, we make and sell billions of tubes globally. One of the ways we're working to eliminate plastic waste, we're seeking to reduce our new or virgin plastic use by 1/3 by 2025, as well as ensuring all of our packaging is reusable, recyclable, or compostable. Historically, toothpaste tubes are not recyclable due to the combination of materials. Many different plastics, often an aluminum layer, and that makes them not easily separated and therefore not easily recyclable. That's why when we set out to make a recyclable tube that was recyclable with the HDPE or the number 2 stream, typically made of things such as detergent bottles, it took quite a bit of innovation in order to make a recyclable tube that also met the performance requirements and was squeezable like a tube.
A lot of people, they have hesitation on using this rigid material for flexible application. After we develop our different versions of tubes, we gain confidence. We know it's possible. Then we need to convince the recycling industry, little by little, to accept this concept. The breakthrough came when we found a way to use multiple grades of HDPE and massage them and put them into the different layers of the laminate and fine-tune the structure and the performance of this laminate to match the performance of the regular tube laminate. We thought it's the time for us to really apply for this recognition, and we gave a presentation to the whole APR, Association of Plastic Recyclers, and they granted us this recognition.
Colgate-Palmolive is part of the Consumer Goods Forum Plastic Waste Coalition, working with 40 other global multinational corporations on eliminating plastic waste. As part of this, we've worked on design and innovations in packaging as well as recycling. The plastic waste challenge is large and one company cannot do it alone. The coalition has been so important for collaborating because it gives us ideas we can share and innovations, as well as having companies work together to solve the issues. We recognized that it was important to continue the work beyond technical recyclability of the tube towards acceptance of tubes in recycling systems globally. And that's why it was so important for us to openly share the technology and our approach. And we've done that with over 40 meetings and conferences and seminars in order to really inspire and lead the industry in recyclable tubes. Since we announced and put onto the market the first of its kind recyclable tube, the 4 major global toothpaste companies have all committed to transitioning to recyclable tubes by 2025. The recycling industry is so important. Recycling is a key piece of creating a circular economy, and we want to ensure that the material that our tubes are made of are valuable and able to be reprocessed back into other materials and packaging, and for that process to continue.
The material enters into our sorting facility and it goes through optical sorters and sizing screens, which sorts it based on what that material is made up of. We then have people on our sorting line that do quality control. Recycling really works, and we want the high-density polyethylene. We know that this gets recycled properly. We know that it's valuable, and we need good, clean, valuable material in order to then sell it to be manufactured into new products. We are very excited that Colgate is doing the research needed to create recyclable tubes, and we're looking forward to working with these new HDPE toothpaste tubes. It's an important part of the solution.
We don't want to stop at creating a recyclable tube. We want to ensure that all tubes globally are collected and recycled in practice and at scale. It's really exciting to think about the impact of the scale that we can have to create a circular economy and a better world. Our vision for the coalition is to keep it going and not stop, and we really encourage other companies to join this collaboration.